Hey there, quick review on the Gorilla Grip Soakstopper doormat or bath mat. Either one, this would work great for. Nice material. It's got a microfiber material on top here. As you can see, it's a pretty high pile, meaning there's a lot of material and it sits up fairly high. This is ideal if you want to use this in situations where you're going to have a lot of moisture, such as a bathroom, getting out of the shower or bath, or coming in from the outside with snow on your shoes, etc. This is going to absorb a lot of moisture. It does have a non-stick material on the back here and a continuous rubber coating across here. We'll go ahead and do a water test on this to, number one, test the absorption of the material, and then also to see if any water actually seeps through to the underside, because that might damage your flooring. Going ahead here, just pouring some water. You really see with this material, it just completely soaks up all of that water really fast. With this higher pile micro fleece material, it's just got a high level of absorption with it. I've tested and done reviews on a lot of different doormats now, and I would say this material is the most absorbent that I've tested. It just completely soaks up all the water. A whole glass of water I just poured on this small area and it's all gone. So that works really well. On the back side here, this is completely soaked on the other side and I can't feel any moisture at all. So the water is not going to come through the mat and damage any flooring that you have underneath here. It's going to absorb all that moisture on top and keep it on the top side. With this material, because it is a very high pile material, it feels great on the bare feet. If you want to use this as a bath rug, it's going to feel really good to stand on and walk on. So overall, very nice product by Gorilla Grip here with this Soakstopper mat. I'd recommend it.